Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can use secure copy command in Kali Linux to copy directories from client to server machine.
Now let's try to copy this directory to the Kali machine. So from Windows, I want to share my file, my directory to the Kali. So I can use the same command scp, but this time I will specify an option which is -r. You already know this option. When we try to copy and delete files, directories, we use -r. So again, I will specify the same option. And after that, I'll provide the directory name, which is demo over here. Then again, same thing, you have to specify something like this. Let me copy it and let me paste it over here. So I'm trying to copy the demo folder because it's a folder. So that is why I have to add -r for recursive. And then I'll hit enter, provide the password over here. And in few seconds, you will find that your directory has been successfully copied. So you can see, and now you can go back to the Kali machine, hit ls command, and you will find that you have a demo name directory. And if you ls inside the demo, you will find the test2.txt, which has the same content. If I show you demo/test2.txt, you will have the same content which says this is test2 file.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.